Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I'm in the workshop, and we're doing lots of painting and stuff later. Not in this place, but in another house. But I want to show you guys this here. I don't know if you can see the barcode or anything. It's got the information on it here. But what we got, oh, right there is the information on it. It's the pre-tape masking paper. So if you guys haven't used this, you really should. Just makes it super easy to paint. What you do is it just peels off, and you can just paint super quick and easy. I'll show you. I'll open up one of these here and show you guys how it works. Oh, they're packaged up pretty good. So, but here, I'll open it anyways. I'll get it back in the bag right now. Well, I'm not ready to use it yet, but I want to show you guys it anyway. But see, this is how it is, and you see how it is here. It's got the tape right there, you see, so it just makes it super easy. So it's got the tape on it, makes it super sharp edge, and this here, and it folds out, so it's a lot wider than just what you see here. But it is super good, and you come in big rolls. You get a pack of 4, what I got here. I got this 4-pack here. And these are the best. Make it super convenient, super easy, way easier than trying to do, masking tape and paper yourself. It just makes it way easier, totally worth it for sure. And I will say thumbs up from me on these. I'm going to put a link in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.